An approval is used when you are loaning a piece to a client or another gallery on an approval basis. I'm going to go ahead and put this title called The Office Party on approval. To do that, just click on Sales and Purchase on the top and then click the Approvals button. That's going to open up the approvals grid. I don't have any approvals yet, so it's blank, but when you have a list of approvals, it'll show here and you can filter and sort any way you want. You can also export to a CSV file. To add a new approval, click the Add button, and that's going to open up the transaction screen. The approval screen functions just like the transaction screen, except that no payment information is captured. And that's why you'll notice that on approvals, the payment tab will be grayed out. To add a new approval, just click on the Add button, type in the first few letters of the title, and then select the title. All the information will come in, such as the price and scan code and item type. You can also indicate if you're going to put it on a discount for the client. I'll skip that for now though. And then I'll just hit save. And you'll just repeat the process for every new item that you're going to put on an approval. When a client decides to purchase a piece that they have out on approval, you can easily convert the approval to a sale, which I'll do here in a second. On the Client tab, if the client does already exist, you can just find the information in the database or just manually type in the new contact information and it will be automatically added to the contact database. Just like the transaction, you can put in the notes and the staff information also. I'm going to go ahead and save and close, and the approval is now done. If I go to the item screen, you'll see that the item called the Office Party is on the location of approval, and I can open it up, go to the transaction screen, and see that approval was done, when, and who did it. Same thing about the stock locations. I can see that it was entered into stock, and then it went from stock to approval on this date. Now let's go ahead and convert the approval. To do that, just click on the line item and click the Convert button. You'll click on which item that you're going to convert. In this case, it's there only one, so I'm going to click on that one. And then here you can put in a discount or the discount percentage. I'll just go ahead and hit the Save button, and then I'll put in the payment information. I'm going to say that the customer gave me a check for the exact amount, and then I'll hit the Save button. Then I'll hit Save and Close. Now if I go to the Sell screen, you can see that the Office Party is now part of the transactions instead of part of the approvals. And then I can open it up, and all the information about the converted approval is now part of the transaction. Now if I go back to the item screen, you can see that the Office Party is now at a location called Sold, and if I open it up and then go to the transactions, you can see that I put the item on approval on a certain date, and then it was converted into a sale on another day. And again, similar with stock location, it was entered in the system, went to stock, to approval, and then approval to sold on a certain date. That's how you put items on approval and convert them.